Yeah.
क्रिएटिविटी करिए जस्ट नेक्स्ट लेवल.
समझ में आया जैसे आपने चीज़ें बनाई ना.
हाँ जी. Thank you, sir.
I'm doing great and you have done a great work.
Thank you,
Especially
ma'am.
this part.
Thank you.
Even though it's black and everyone is working on AI, but this part is done really nicely.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So I think this is one of the best stalls when it comes to AI. Schools, more decorations are there.
Well, how's the experience?
It was very good.
This is something very unique that no one has done till now.
And I am the founder of this brand called No Sky.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Hi,
What's your name?
Sandeep Gupta.
So, can you give me a 1 minute of review of our stall? How's the experience?
It was very good. Uttam ji explained everything to us about the softwares. They have 12 softwares here.
Yeah.
So they are very good interconnected
Yeah.
and can manage your whole workflow
Yeah.
in the company.
Thank
It was
you.
very good.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Uttam ji. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good.
What's your name? Okay. So, can you give us some words about our stall or our product? Yeah.
Creativity करिए just next level. And the software is too good for business person and especially for जिनका data लिखने की हर जगह आदत है ना, then अब उनको AI में convert होना पड़ेगा.
Yes.
So उनके लिए one of the best platform है.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Hi, sir. How are you?
I am fine.
What's your name?
Ashwar Mishra.
Yeah. Hi, sir. So, how was the experience with our stall?
It was well and good.
Yeah.
So this company is providing AI facilities for business integration and data facility,
Okay.
which will help in our future.
Yeah.
So we can take particular decisions,
Okay.
and I hope after launch they will boom.
So, you will be connected with us,
Yeah, I will
right?
try to connect it
Yeah.
whenever we need.
Okay. Anything else you want to share with us for our
The
stall?
presentation is good, like in schools. More decorations are done, so here it is also.
So, this is very creative because you will not find in a whole all, right? Yeah.
Only single place where we can find this.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Love. Hey, hi, Vishal.
Hi,
How are you, guy?
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. So first of all, welcome to Bharatiya Vyapar Mahotsav 2026 and we are Nuska and we are here. So let me just give you a quick introduction from our stall. So what we are cooking and what we are building here. So as you can see this amazing wall which has a lot of threads.
Yeah.
So I'll just explain you what it is. Okay, so this is a busy founder who is always stuck in doing firefighting with a lot of tools into his business. And he's always busy chasing sales people for their sales reports, doing a lot of finance work, doing a lot of accounting data, building reports, tracking the field force. This is all the firefighting work which a business owner is doing basically. Okay. And now we have built it a No Sky operating system which integrates all your data points to a single source of truth, where you can have a complete unified dashboard, where you can have a complete real-time visibility of what are the focus areas for your business. Okay, so it will give you a complete end-to-end visibility on what actions do you need to take for your business today, what are your priorities for today, how you can actually make the most out of your business and how you can actually make very quick decisions for it. Thank you so much.
Hi, sir.
Hello,
What's your name, sir?
I'm Yogesh Kumar. I'm
Okay,
founder
how are
and
you?
Managing Director of Azandra Intelligence.
Okay. How are you, sir?
I'm doing good, thank you.
So, sir, can you please share some bites of our stall or our No Sky OS?
no, what you're solving is a glaring business problem today.
Yeah.
Fragmented systems, there are systems working in silos,
Yeah.
and intelligence is trapped in localized systems.
Yeah.
And that's where you have to decipher and see what operational intelligence you can extract and garner and make it seamlessly frictionless free. So that's something you're solving a real business problem, in my opinion. Yeah.
Yeah. So, it will help founders or not?
Absolutely, it will help.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Help.
And can you share some experience about our stall, the creativity we have done here on the wall?
You've done a fabulous job. So obviously 10 upon 10 on that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm doing very well. So, what's your name, ma'am?
I'm Tanvi Purohit from Lenawee.
Okay. So, can you please share some words about our stall or our
I'm
product?
speechless about this, okay?
Okay.
This was something very unique. मतलब सबने they are doing different things, but this is still very different. It's simple yet different.
Yeah.
I
This
have
is.
been visiting too many
exhibitions and I've been here since like 2 days. This is my
Yeah.
second day here.
Yeah.
I've also been to this another exhibition which was from CEI.
Yeah.
Okay, they were foreigners like Chinese and French people were all those also there, but this is something very unique that no one has done till now.
So actually, I saw you that you were looking. This is some founder, and you are the founder who is stuck between the finance, accounting, sales people. You can't call each department, right? So thank you so much. If you like the stall, you can say something to our audience.
I'm speechless about the stall, and if you still have time to visit the stall, please do visit this
Thank
stall.
you, madam. Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
What's your name, ma'am?
I'm Pratasha.
Okay, how are you doing, ma'am?
I'm doing great, and you have done a great work.
Thank you,
Especially
ma'am.
this part.
Thank you.
Even though it's black, and everyone is working on AI, but this part is done really nicely.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So it's looking very interactive, and
Thank you.
you guys have also explained it very nicely. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Sumit Malhotra.
Okay, sir. So can you give some bites of our
Well, I came across this platform called No Sky, and it seems to be really good, and it's a one-stop solution for all your, day-to-day operational requirement.
Yeah.
And I'm sure, it's AI powered, so it's going to be very, very useful for the founders like me, for whom the things are scattered,
Yeah.
and it will help them to keep a track on things at one place, and they can have an overview of things in one glance only. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. It's glad to connect with you, sir. Thank you so much. Hi, sir.
Hello, hi.
How are you, sir?
I'm very much fine. How are you?
So, sir, as you are our partner and you are visiting our stall at Bharat Mandapam, so how was your experience with us?
Experience is very great. Welcome has invested a lot on this booth.
Yeah.
You can say they are presenting every product here, like sales, finance, operations, and all.
Yeah.
So we can say that everybody will be very interested. And if you are into this event, I suggest you to visit their booth. They have presented whatever the problem statement is and whatever solutions they are giving.
Yeah.
I think this will be beneficial for all the partners to visit.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your words. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
How are you, ma'am?
Good.
What's your name, ma'am?
Diksha.
So, ma'am, can you please share your review about our stall?
So I think यहाँ पे सबसे pretty और informative both in one stall तो ये No Sky होगा definitely because ये जो यहाँ पर पूरा बना हुआ है I mean I think best है जहाँ पे मेरे को ज़्यादा किसी से पूछना नहीं पड़ा but it was all self explanatory कि हाँ मेरे issues हैं और ऐसे No Sky उसे कैसे solve करता है तो I think that's the best part.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, sir.
Hi.
How are you, sir?
Fine.
So, can you please share some bites for our stall or our No Sky OS?
So it's very amazing. So I think this is one of the best stalls when it comes to AI. So first of all, I am a CA.
Okay.
So I know what No Sky is doing actually. So No Sky is a revolution. Right now what's happening is जो भी business owners हैं उन सबका business सब अंदाजे पे चल रहा है. उनको ये नहीं पता कि एक्चुअली में उनके बिजनेस में हो क्या रहा है बिकॉज द डेटा इज स्केटर्ड.
Yeah.
कि कोई टेली यूज़ कर रहा है, कोई बिजी यूज़ कर रहा है, किसी के पास CRM ही नहीं है, किसी के पास HRMS नहीं है. अगर किसी के पास ये सब कुछ है
Okay.
तो डेटा इतना स्कैटर्ड है कि जो ओनर है उसको एक व्यू नहीं मिलता अपने बिजनेस का कि उसके बिजनेस में एक्चुअली हो क्या रहा है.
That's true.
So what No Sky has done, if you see this dashboard, so this is a live dashboard जो आपको आपके फ़ोन में दिखेगा, whether it is Apple, whether it is Android, both. और उसमें आपको सब कुछ दिखेगा कि आपकी सेल्स कितनी हो रही है, आपका अटेंडेंस का क्या समरी है,
Yes.
आपका क्या एक्टिविटीज़ हो रही हैं, आपका क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है. सो एज अ ओनर आपको इंसाइट्स चाहिए अपने बिजनेस की कि आपके बिजनेस में शॉर्ट में क्या हो रहा है. ओनर के पास टाइम नहीं है, उसको सिर्फ चेक पॉइंट्स चाहिए. तो बेसिकली आपका डेटा आपस में बात कर रहा है और AI उस पर लगा हुआ है. तो आपको एक समरी सी आ रही है रोज़ कि आपके बिजनेस में क्या हो रहा है, क्या आपको एक्शन लेना है, एंड रेलेवेंट टीम उससे कनेक्टेड है. सो दिस इज़ अ रेवोल्यूशन जिसमें नो स्काई आपको ERP नहीं बदलने को कह रहा, नो स्काई आपको आपका सॉफ्टवेयर बदलने को नहीं कह रहा. नो स्काई आपका एग्जिस्टिंग ERP, एग्जिस्टिंग फाइनेंस का सॉफ्टवेयर उस पर लग रहा है पास थ्रू होके. जो एक ओनर को चीज़ चाहिए
Yes.
वो एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में आपको दिख रहा है.
Okay.
So I think this is a revolution, और sooner or later
Yeah.
ये चीज़ आपको हर बिजनेस को, हर एसएससी को, एवरीवन, सबको वो चीज़ चाहिए होगी. सो आई थिंक, आई विश गुड लक टू नो स्काई एंड वे टू गो.
Thank you so much, sir.
And I am the founder of this brand called No Sky. No Sky is a brand जो हम लोगों ने आज से 3 साल पहले इन्विजन किया था. मैं अपनी प्रोफाइल बताऊँ तो आई वर्कड इन द US फॉर अबाउट 5 years and then came back to India to make प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर द इंडियन बिजनेसेस. ये जो प्रोडक्ट है नो स्काई, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, ये प्रोडक्ट एक फाउंडर के लिए बना हुआ है, ठीक है. एंड इट इज़ अ होल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. ये एक बिजनेस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है जो डिफरेंट डेटा मैनेजमेंट टूल्स होते हैं किसी भी बिजनेस में.
आईटी फील्ड में मैं जो है पिछले लास्ट 35 ईयर से आईटी फील्ड में ही हूँ, काम कर रहे हैं.
तो यहाँ का एक्सपीरियंस आपका कैसा रहा?
यहाँ का एक्सपीरियंस यस हमारे इट्स ए यूनिक एंड बहुत बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस रहा. एंड हम लोगों ने एल्कॉम डिजिटल में पहली बार हम लोगों ने जो है पार्टिसिपेट किया. यहाँ पे जो फुटफॉल है इट इज़ ट्रमेंडस. बहुत बढ़िया हमें रिस्पांस मिल रहा है, काफ़ी अच्छी लीड्स आ रही हैं. एंड आई थिंक आने वाले टाइम में वी विल आल्सो पार्टिसिपेट इन मोर एंड मोर एग्जीबिशन एंड जहाँ से हम जो है लीड्स जनरेट करके अपना जो ये प्रोडक्ट जो है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को पहुँचा पाए. थैंक यू.
So hey everyone, let I show you the how owners and business delegates are coming to how they transform their business with our No Sky OS product. So business owners are coming and sitting with us so that they can transform their business with AI powered No Sky OS.
The complete understanding of your complete business, what is the runway, what is all these main focus areas. Then we have module by segregation where you can have like understanding on sales, like what is happening with the sales, what is the revenue collection and all those things. Then it's understanding about people, like who all are absent, who all are present, what they are doing, how much productivity is there, not there. Then it's a service suite, what are the open works that needs to be delivered. So this like work finished, invoice pending for 4 days of runway at 45,000 rupees per day. So you have the clear indications, now you just have to execute, act, that's it.
Hi sir, how are you?
All good.
What's your name?
Ayush.
So can you share your bites with our stall or our team members?
I just met this guy Vishal and Arpita.
Yeah.
अभी नाम पता लगा. बहुत डिस्कशन हुई, नाम भी पता लगा. Trust me, the guys, you are doing the fantabulous job. And जो आप OS के अंडर काम कर रहे हैं, because customization सबके लिए possible नहीं है. I've been all the stuff. मैं CAT का member हूँ जिसने organize करवाया हुआ है यहाँ पर. But still I'm really happy कि such kind of things is happening. मैं exporter भी हूँ and I'm working for the MSMEs to promote them also. कहीं ना कहीं this is like the I guess the generation जिसको चाहिए ये सब चीज़ें. और upcoming generations के लिए ऐसे customization दो like minded हैं जो जिसकी अपनी youth जो अपने ITs और इन सब चीज़ों के साथ में अपने बिजनेस को एक्सेल करना चाहते हैं. I guess this is a one platform solution for you जहाँ पर आप everything you can create it. And I guess इधर आ जाओ, इनके साथ कनेक्ट कर लो. बोलने की बात नहीं है, करने की बात है. Just come, join them. The beautiful guys are here. They will going to take care of you guys very well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.